Dusky Dahar, Army KKR. On the back of a stupendous win against RCB, our Kolkata Knight Riders are on the brink of qualifying for the playoffs. मैं हूं अनंत त्यागी and before we move any further, let's first tell you कि क्या है खास हमारे आज के इस नाइट क्लब एपिसोड में. Scenarios for qualifying in the top two for Kolkata Knight Riders, going gaga over our double G, and couple goals with Robin Uthappa and his wife Sheetal in Pati Patni Aur Wo. But before we move any further, a power-packed show ahead for you. Let's first soak in the celebrations from Bengaluru.
Superb day at the office for the Kolkata Knight Riders. What was the thought process coming into this game?
Just to hopefully get back on winning ways.
Good to be out there first and foremost. I was a little nervous, I'll be wrong if I didn't say that, but things went our way and we can have a beer tonight and celebrate. Mate, it's a good feeling, it's a good platform that we set for the boys, and even though we had a little hurdle, we lost a couple of quick wickets, we bounced back and the boys just put on a clinic tonight.
If you don't get going, you're sure that Chris Lynn is going to have a good bonus.
Look, he's a pretty quiet character and we just kept things very simple. That's what I do, and obviously that's what Sonny does, so we complemented each other well and paid dividends tonight.
Next step is probably to continue winning and keep that form going, and hopefully could take us to the playoffs and continue winning.
What a fantastic performance there by Double G's men, ensuring a double over RCB this season. Speaking of double, अभी fans हमारे क्रिस लिन को फील्ड पे वापस देख के फूले ही नहीं समाये थे कि they had double reason to be happy, because in walked Sunil Narine with Chris Lynn to open the batting for Kolkata Knight Riders and broke an insane number of records. While all the talk was of insanity, Sunil Narine helped himself to the joint fastest 50 in the IPL. The Kolkata Knight Riders also hit the highest score in the history of the IPL as far as the power play overs are concerned. And that happened because we also hit the most number of boundaries in power play ever in the IPL. The other side, Holy Trinity of RCB, were dismissed for the lowest runs aggregate ever in one innings. And I'm talking about Chris Gayle, Virat Kohli and AB de Villiers here. So a rare failure then for the Holy Trinity of Royal Challengers Bangalore. It's not often that Gayle, AB de Villiers and Kohli fail. लेकिन आपकी किस्मत खुल सकती है क्योंकि संजना आपको बहुत क्लोजली फॉलो कर रही हैं सोशल मीडिया पे, और उन्होंने इकट्ठा किए हैं कुछ ट्वीट्स और मीम्स. आइए देख लेते हैं क्रिकेट सोशल में.
हमारे कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स में सुपरस्टार्स की कमी तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. कभी गौतम गंभीर सुपरस्टार निकलते हैं तो कभी रॉबिन उथप्पा, कभी मनीष पांडे तो कभी यूसुफ पठान. बट बैट्समैन सुनील नारायण इस मैच में चैंपियन निकलेंगे ये तो कभी किसी ने सोचा नहीं था. टेक अ लुक एट दिस मीम. Once bowled a super over maiden in the Caribbean Premier League, now has the fastest 50 in IPL history. Sunil Narine never ever fails to surprise us, and I think we should draw a comparison. लोग comparison कर रहे हैं उनके और वेस्ट इंडियन टीममेट क्रिस गेल के बीच. क्या कह रहे हैं? ये कह रहे हैं the way they are playing seems like they've exchanged their batting for this year's IPL. Chris Gayle scoring ducks, playing like a tail-ender, and Sunil Narine playing like a top-order batsman. और अगर एक तरफ है सुनील नारायण तो दूसरी तरफ थे क्रिस लिन. He's back from his injury, something that all of us have been waiting for. Take a look at this tweet. RCB के bowlers जब क्रिस लिन और सुनील नारायण की हिटिंग को देखते हैं तो कहते हैं कि भाई जिंदगी बर्बाद हो गई. 105 in 6 overs. They completely redefined the term power play. And Deepdas Gupta was equally surprised by this performance because he tweeted out, Chris Lynn's 50 of 21 deliveries suddenly seems a little slow after the Narine highlight package. Well, Narine ने जो innings खेली ना, हर shot ऐसे लग रहा था भाई highlights की package बनाई है और चला दी है. Can you imagine? It was such an exciting match. डेविड वार्नर, सनराइजर्स हैदराबाद के जो कैप्टन है, उन्होंने भी ट्वीट किया, आई थिंक द कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स वांट द 10:45 PM फ्लाइट आउट ऑफ बैंगलोर टुनाइट। वो समझ गए थे कि हम हरी में है भाई, नेक्स्ट मैच अगेंस्ट किंग्स 11 पंजाब, वी हैव टू मेक इट इन टाइम। So that's why he tweeted that out. And King Khan, how can we forget the big boss? He also tweeted out an image and he drew a direct connection between Bollywood and the IPL. He said, after Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na in 1994, Sunil and Chris come together to make 105. Well played boys, Ami KKR. Well, Chris Lynn और सुनील नारायण की ये जो जोड़ी है वो तो सुपर हिट हो ही गई, पर आज है हमारा मुकाबला किंग्स 11 पंजाब के खिलाफ और यहाँ पे हमारे नाइट्स क्या जादू चलाएंगे, देखते रहिएगा।
अब चाहे फिल्मी क्रिस और सुनील हो या फिर क्रिकेटर्स, दोनों ने काफी धमाल किया। उस समय बॉक्स ऑफिस हिट हुआ था, यहां पे आईपीएल। कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स अब क्वालिफिकेशन के लगभग कगार पे हैं। 2 मैचेस बाकी हैं, लेकिन टॉप 2 में क्वालिफाई करना चाहते हैं तो क्या करना होगा हमारे नाइट राइडर्स को, आइए पता करते हैं हमारे क्वालिफिकेशन सिनेरियोज में। कोलकाता के लिए टॉप 2 में फिनिश करने के लिए सिनेरियोज कुछ इस तरह हैं। पहला, कोलकाता को अपने दोनों मैचेस जीतने होंगे और उम्मीद करनी होगी कि राइजिंग पुणे सुपर जायंट कम से कम अपना एक मैच हार जाएं। या फिर दूसरा, कोलकाता अगर अपना एक ही मैच जीत पाती है तो राइजिंग पुणे सुपर जायंट को अपने दोनों मैच हारने पड़ेंगे। या फिर तीसरा, सनराइजर्स हैदराबाद अगर अपना एक मैच हारते हैं, कोलकाता अपने दोनों मैचेस भी हारते हैं और राइजिंग पुणे सुपर जायंट अपने दोनों मैचेस हारते हैं, तो क्वालिफिकेशन नेट रन रेट से तय होगी। तो प्लेऑफ्स में क्वालिफाई करने के लिए कुछ ऐसे सिनारियोज हैं, लेकिन गौतम गंभीर हमारे कप्तान प्लेऑफ्स में क्वालिफाई करके संतुष्ट कहां होने वाले हैं। ही वांट्स दैट टॉप 2 पोजीशन। हम उनकी कैप्टनसी के बारे में थोड़ी और बात करेंगे और उसमें बात करने के लिए हमारे साथ हैं एक्स नाइट डेविड हसी। आई वाज जस्ट टेलिंग आवर फैंस दैट आई एम गोइंग टू बी आस्किंग यू ऑल क्वेश्चंस इन Hindi and you'll be answering all of them in Hindi as well. Now that'll be a pretty insane idea. Speaking of insanity, David, Linsanity was back for Kolkata opening the batting. One of the more radical ideas of Gautam Gambhir this season. What have you made of his captaincy for KKR this time around?
Well, arguably he's probably been the captain of the tournament, hasn't he? Every move he's sort of pulled, it's turned to gold. So for mine, great captain. All the players are playing for him, and long may it continue.
Right, and one of the first decisions that he took was to break that partnership of Gothappa and to bring in Chris Lynn at the top of the order. But just why have Gautam Gambhir and Robin Uthappa been so successful? Well, let's take a look. गौतम गंभीर कोलकाता से जुड़े 2011 में, लेकिन उन्हें अपना बेटर हाफ यानी गौथप्पा के रॉबिन उथप्पा मिले 2014 में। पिछले 3 सीजन से लगातार साथ खेल रही इस जोड़ी ने कोलकाता के वारे न्यारे कर दिए थे। 2014 में टीम को चैंपियन बनाने में इन दोनों की जबरदस्त बल्लेबाजी का एक अहम रोल था। सिर्फ 3 सीजन साथ में एंड दे स्टार्टेड मेकिंग हेड्स टर्न, second in the list of most runs by an opening pair with 1,478 runs. Not just that, their contribution in wins shows कि उनका योगदान कितना important रहा है। 15 से ज्यादा 50 पार्टनरशिप्स, लगभग 900 रन कोलकाता के ईडन गार्डन्स पर, रिकॉर्ड्स कई हैं। किसी केकेआर फैन के लिए ये शायद सचिन सौरव या सचिन सहवाग की जोड़ी से कम नहीं, और किसी बॉलीवुड फैन के लिए शायद जयवीरू ये दोस्ती। One of the most successful partnerships in the history of the IPL, and that's why we love to call them Gothappa. Gautam Gambhir and Robin Uthappa, of course. But not this time around, not opening the innings for Kolkata Knight Riders, because Gautam Gambhir went with the Linsanity. Chris Lynn opening the batting, and some great numbers is what they racked up, even though Chris Lynn only batted with Gambhir in the first 2 games. And you can see that the average is absolutely staggering, David, and the strike rate, any team would love to have it at the top of the order.
That's what I love about Gigi. He sort of reads the situation. They know what Kolkata can do. They know they play at a certain level, but let's bring in Chris Lynn and let's go for 200 runs per inning sort of thing. And look at that average, 228, 198 strike rate.
Yeah.
Gigi, he'll just lay off and get Chris Lynn on strike, the power hitter.
Yeah.
Once Chris Lynn gets out, then Gigi will go ballistic as well. So it's a perfect partnership, perfect combination.
Whether if he gets out or actually has a problem with his shoulder, which is what he had. But that's the kind of season Gautam Gambhir has had, hasn't he? Because everything he's touched has turned to gold this time around. Chris Lynn obviously went out of action, and then in came Sunil Narayan, and that partnership as well blossomed, as you can see there. The average might not be that good because they tended to just sort of taper off in the last couple of games, but the strike rate absolutely staggering once again.
And that's what you need in the first 6 overs. You want to make most of the fielding restrictions, and 170 or near on 170 strike rate for like a real tail ender or lower order player to open the batting against the best bowlers in the world, it's phenomenal. And another move pulled by Gigi, and it's paying dividends again.
Right, so not only did Gautam Gambhir have plan A, plan B, but also plan C, which was Colin de Grandhomme when Sunil Narine failed. But when that didn't work, he had Chris Lynn coming back, helped by the fact that he recovered very well from injury. And then we saw the biggest opening partnership of all time in this IPL. You can see that Chris Lynn and Sunil Narine opening the batting, 105 average, the maximum score ever in the power play. Who would have thought that would come?
It just seems to think that Gambhir is like a proactive captain, like he's thinking 2 steps ahead of everybody else, and to actually have those 2 opening the batting, no one would have predicted that. The RCB players wouldn't have predicted that, and then to come off with 105 in the first 6 overs, remarkable. So full ticks again to Gambhir, great preparation, and once again it's paid dividends.
Right, so that was strategy number 1. Gautam Gambhir flirting with the idea of different openers and breaking that Gothappa partnership. Strategy number 2 that we've seen him use to great effect in this season is, of course, horses for courses. Because when Ankit Rajput took 3 wickets against Mumbai, he was not shy of resting him in the next game. Same with Nathan Coulter-Nile, rested in the Pune game, and love the way he's interchanged between Kuldeep Yadav and Piyush Chawla as well.
Well, it tells me he has a great relationship with Jacques Scalis, the head coach, Simon Caddick, the assistant coach, and probably the senior members of the group, and they all work out strategies and plans, and then Gigi and Simon and Jacques will make the final decisions on which players are suited for the best conditions against the opposition, and they're pulling all the right moves. They're making great decisions. Chawla played the other night against RCB, great job. Gigi opened the bowling with Umesh Yadav, got Chris Gale out first ball, so everything he's pulling or making the decision, it's killing it.
Right, so since we're celebrating our captain, fantastic double G, Gautam Gambhir here, strategy number 3 that he's used to great effect this time around is also the fact that he's made these great field changes. He's made great bowling changes, particularly in the game against RCB when we got them out for 49. Yeah. The use of pace bowlers, no spinners required whatsoever, despite the great depth in the squad that we have.
Which is unheard of at Eden Gardens too. You generally play 8 to 10 overs of spin, and no, our captain, he actually bowls awful, well, I think it was about 10 overs of seam bowling, which tells me he's reading the conditions really well. He thought the wicket was bowler-friendly conditions. He kept 2 slips into play. He attacked the stumps, and he got nicks to the slips, which is perfect captaincy. And again, full credit to the captain and the bowlers for actually executing all plays.
Right, now the next one is a very interesting one because we play Kings 11 Punjab later today. 2 of your former teams now up against each other. It's a difficult one for you to call, but we've got a great record against Kings 11. We haven't lost to them in more than a couple of years, David.
I don't know who to support here, but it's going to be a good game.
So you don't have an option.
Exactly. KKR.
You heard that.
It's going to be a huge game. Kings 11 must win, but KKR, they want to finish in the top 2. They want to get that double chance, and that's why you play IPL. You want to get in the top 2, double chance, and then once you get into the finals and the double chance, you can actually chill out for a bit, rest a few players, and get your plans all sorted for the big finals.
Absolutely, and that's exactly what Gautam Gambhir and company will be looking for. Thanks, David, for your thoughts. Not only impressed as a captain, but also as a batsman has Gautam Gambhir. And all we can say here on Night Club is that long may it continue. वक्त है एक छोटे से ब्रेक का, लेकिन ब्रेक के उस पार थोड़ा सा हंसी मजाक और आपको लेके चलेंगे नाइट क्लब कॉन्टेस्ट में एक आखिरी बार ब्रेक के उस पार.
Is Robin a dog person or a cat? Dog person. Totally. Yeah. Is that correct? Oh, great. We're off to a fantastic start.
What is his favorite dish? What does he love to eat?
Anything particular that he craves, and you can wake him up at 3 in the morning and say, let's eat this, and he'll say yes. Pizza? You can't ask him. I don't know.
I mean, kick it.